manufacturing company that aspires for growth usually faces certain barriers. However, rarely is the market potential one of those barriers. Instead, constraints typically are internal, such as availability of skilled labor, space, cash, sometimes attitude to risk. Any of these can hold a company back and prevent it from reaching its true potential. Sound familiar? An increasing number of OEMs are choosing strategic outsourcing as part of their overall production and supply chain strategy, which is allowing them to invest and focus on their core activities and delegate out non-core processes. Benefits can be significant, not only on releasing growth potential, but in reducing production lead times, reducing total manufacturing costs, and creating shorter delivery times for your customers, all of which helps you grow your sales revenue and increase your profits, with no more people, no more space, and no additional risk. Contact PP Control and Automation to see if we can help you unlock your growth potential. All manufacturing companies strive to increase sales to generate revenues and profit growth. With increased sales comes the need to increase production accordingly. When the company reaches maximum production capacity, however, further growth in sales at this point inevitably means longer lead times, which increases the risk of customers growing frustrated, brand reputation being adversely affected, and orders being lost. Therefore, a new approach to production is required, and strategic outsourcing can be the ideal solution. Strategic outsourcing can offer a swift and robust answer to production capacity constraints, help reduce production times, and improve sales lead times for your customers. Strategic outsourcing negates the associated risks of investing in additional buildings, machinery, and people, and provides flexibility in markets where demand requirements can go down as well as up, thus not adding to a company's overheads, which could become an unwelcome burden. It allows you to focus on what you do best. Invest in areas of core competence and work with partners who have a complementary core competence. Find out more how PP Control and Automation can help you create additional capacity, improve your production and sales lead times, and prevent the risk of losing orders to your competitors.
To briefly outline what Ishida does, key technologies and customers that we serve. Ishida is a long-established global business, primarily in the weighing and packaging industry. I actually first made contact with Tony some 16 years ago. Tony, current MD. We established very quickly a relationship together and developed strategic operations between us, and it's really grown from there. They are one of our top 3 premier partners, and we do consider them to be a partner in business for today and the future. The Ishida manufacturing model relies very heavily on strategic partnerships with our suppliers. And from early beginnings, when we sourced individual components, and particularly with PP control systems, this started out with harness units, very simple low-level components. Discussions related to providing more added value from our supply chain led to doing complete assemblies and also to install electrical units into complete machines. This enabled Ishida Europe to continue to grow and to maximize the output from our manufacturing facilities, and we continue to do so. We continue to increase our range of products and expand our manufacturing capacity. And I would say our capacity is somewhat unlimited. Our growth is not restricted by our physical factory or factory units, because we have strategic partners that we can rely on, and we know through experience that we can rely on them. Over the years, we've continued to increase our capacity, but at the same time, we have not lost any of our flexibility. In today's world, we have to respond to customers' needs. We have to respond to an order intake level that fluctuates from one month to another. So agility is very important in not only our operation, but also our supply partners in responding to our needs.